Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're into smartphones that dare to be different than today, you're in for a treat. We're diving deep into one of the most anticipated budget tech releases of the year, the CMF1 by Nothing. Now, this phone isn't just another mid-ranger. It's got the DNA of Carl Pei's minimalist revolution, but with a twist. This one is all about affordability with flair. Let's break it all down. Before we get into specs and features, let's talk about context. CMF is a sub-brand of Nothing, the same company that brought us the Phone 1 and Phone 2, with their iconic transparent designs and glyph interfaces. But CMF is different. The name literally stands for color, material, and finish. Their goal? To deliver great design and solid functionality without breaking the bank. Think of it as Nothing's way of saying, you don't need to spend a fortune to stand out. And the CMF1? It's the flagship of this affordable philosophy. Now, let's talk about what you'll notice first: the design. Based on leaks and insider info, the CMF1 is expected to feature a unique, modular-inspired design, possibly even swappable back panels, similar to the CMF buds and watch accessories. Expect vibrant colors, a clean aesthetic, and a minimalist finish that's true to Nothing's roots. No flashy logos or over-designed camera bumps, just a clean, confident look. Alright, spec heads, this part's for you. While official specs haven't dropped yet, we're hearing the CMF1 could be rocking a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, a solid performer in the upper mid-range. Around 6.5 to 6.7-inch AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate. A dual camera setup, likely with a 50 MP main sensor. 5000 mAh battery with 33W or possibly 45W fast charging. A clean Nothing OS, likely a toned-down version of what we see in Phone 2a. Expect minimal bloatware and smooth performance. Now remember, the CMF line is all about price to performance, so this package could land in the 15,000 to 20,000 Indian rupees range in India, or around $200 to $250 globally. What really sets Nothing apart is the software. Even on a budget phone, you can expect Nothing OS to bring a near-stock Android feel with some clever tweaks, like custom widgets, a consistent visual identity, and no bloat. CMF1 might also skip some of the fancier glyph lights, but what you lose in flair, you gain in battery, simplicity, and price. Now let's talk strategy. CMF1 is not competing with flagships. It's aiming straight at the budget and mid-tier market, where brands like Redmi, Realme, and Moto dominate. But here's the kicker: none of those brands are offering a design-first experience like CMF. That's where CMF hopes to win, by offering style, substance, and a clean user experience in one sweet little package. So, who is the CMF1 for? If you're someone who wants a stylish, reliable daily driver without spending a ton, this could be the phone to watch. Whether you're a student, a minimalist, or just someone who values clean design, the CMF1 might just be the most exciting budget phone of 2024. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments, would you switch to CMF1 or are you sticking with the classics? Until next time, stay tech savvy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.